Hello everyone and welcome to break 2401 for the 2020 Topps Tier 1. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, June 12th, 2020. It's 10:45 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:45 p.m. Central Time, and 7:45 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Ricardo with 8 spots, CK with 3, Doer 1, Rinsky 6, Mike Will 1, Mid with 2, Triple B Sack 1, Purple 1, Velma 2, DB 3, Frank 1, Beak 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Ricardo on top, Beak on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Rinsky on top, Doer on the bottom. Rinsky, you have the Diamondbacks, Ricardo with the Braves, Orioles, Mid with the Red Sox, Ricardo Cubs, CK White Sox, Rinsky Reds, Ricardo Indians, Purple with the Rockies, CK with the Tigers, Rinsky with the Astros, Frank with the Royals, Triple B Sack Angels, Mid with the Dodgers, Ricardo with the Marlins, Rinsky with the Brewers, DB with the Twins, Ricardo Mets. We have Beak with the Yankees, Velma with the Athletics Phillies, Mike Will Pirates, Ricardo Padres, DB with the Giants, Mariners, Ricardo with the Cardinals, CK Rays, Rinsky Rangers, Blue Jays, and Doer, last but not least, with the Washington Redskins. All right. We're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the cards, that's where the card will go. We should have 2 autos and a relic. A couple of our boxes already had a bonus inside. We got a 4th card, so let's see what we have in 2401. So 3 cards, the wall ship. Empty. We have for the Chicago Cubs, rookie auto, Nico Horner, 167 out of 299. Top certified auto for the Cubbies. Breakout auto. So Chicago Cubs, you're first off the board. Then we have Gleyber Torres game used memorabilia. New York Yankees 8 of 25. Congrats to the Yankees. Dual memorabilia. We got part of the N maybe? Either way, that's sweet. Congrats to the Yankees. Dual relic. Got 2 shortstops back to back. There we go. So we have the Cubs, the Yankees, and we have Jake Bauers auto 65 out of 299 for the Cleveland Indians. Sweet. Yeah, like the tier 1 for sure. Another breakout auto. So Cubs, Yankees, Indians. Let's see who's getting what. Pulled a few redemptions already out of these two. These are... Okay. So we have the Chicago Cubs. Chicago Cubs going to Ricardo. Congrats. Yeah, wasn't it like $500,000? Or am I off on that? 50 grand? 500 grand. I forget. A ton. Whatever it was, a ton. All right, Cleveland Indians. Cleveland Indians going to Ricardo. Congrats. I thought it was $500,000. I was going to say. That's wild. All right, Gleyber Torres, dual relic, New York Yankees. New York Yankees going to Beat B4. Congrats. And guys, that was break 2401 for the 2020 Topps Tier 1 baseball card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J SPORTSCARDS. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to our first value pack of the night, 2403. Thanks.